So I tried it out, and what I have to say about this is, as you can see, my skin, this is only from using it one day. So, and I don't like to exaggerate, but I do see like there's like a glow. My skin looks glowy, and I've used it, actually I used it twice. So if you're not aware, this is the First Aid Beauty. It's the Ultra Repair Retinol serum that I got from Influencer, and I was gifted with this for testing purposes only. So this is a product review, and I just wanted to show you how it this is the next day after using it. I used it overnight and rinsed with my regular cleanser and moisturizer, and then I just used this. I used this by itself because I didn't want to interfere. I didn't want the product to interfere with anything else. So it's usually best when you start new products that you don't want to mix with anything else, especially with skin products. I enjoyed it for the most part. I'm going to continue using it since it's only been one day, day one. I didn't have anything break out on my skin. It felt extremely hydrated, and it was went on really smooth, silky, and it absorbed right into my skin. It was not creasy. And what else can I say about it? That's pretty much it. It's a very lightweight cream. It's not heavy. And just in case you didn't see my demo, I'll show you the consistency. So it melts right into your skin. And it's a retinol cream, so it's probably better not to use it during the day because you don't want to be in the sun. But since it's wintertime, I don't think it's that much of a big deal. But in the summertime, you definitely don't want to use retinol. I believe it's not good to have to be in sunlight when you use retinol. And it has peptides. I'm trying to see the ingredients. It contains vitamin A. It does say in the evening, apply a pea-size amount to clean, dry skin and follow with a moisturizer. I didn't use a moisturizer because I feel like my skin, I don't like to layer too much oils or too many products, especially when I feel like this did the job on its own as far as moisturizing. So I didn't use a moisturizer on top of this. But if your skin is super dry, you probably could use a moisturizer on top of this. And it does say if skin irritation develops, reduce frequency or discontinue use. So another thing with retinol, it's not like a moisturizer where you can use it daily. You should only use retinol like 2 or 3 times a week. So it's not a daily skincare routine. So you want to make sure that you just use it sparingly. I'm probably going to just use it, I'm trying to think, probably 2 times a week. I'll probably do it like Wednesday and on the weekend. So since I did it yesterday, it was Wednesday, I'll probably do it again either Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.